Hi, this is Alexandra at Beadaholique, here with a quick tip for using Demi rounds as spacers with Ginko beads. So here I have the Saratoga bracelet in two different colorways. I've got Frost and Firelight in these beautiful matte toned Ginko beads, and what I've paired them with are some two-hole brick beads and also some Czech fire polish beads, and then in between each of those you'll see two sizes of the Toho Demi round seed beads. Now I'm going to use my needle to go ahead and pick up the two different sizes for you, just so you can see side by side on this needle the difference between the two of those. And what I've done in the design here on both accounts is I've arranged the seed beads such that the little 11-0 is tucked into the curve on either side of these Ginko beads, and then the larger 8-0 bead is flush against the flat sides of these other flat beads. So that's how I was able to, even in a simple design like this, really tuck in the spaces between the beads and create a nice full look. I've found with the Ginko beads that they're actually counterintuitive to me, and the way that they're drilled, I would have actually imagined that they would be drilled the opposite direction. So because they're drilled up and down like this, it creates a special challenge for weaving them together, even in the case of a straight strung project. So I was glad to discover that these demi-round beads really aid in the filling of space and creating a nice look. So I also use these really beautiful TierraCast Heirloom 2-loop toggle clasps, which I thought fit really well with the width of the holes on these 2-hole beads. And I just wanted to show you that quick tip for using demi rounds as spacers with Ginko beads in the Saratoga bracelets. You can find all these beads and full instructions for the projects at beadaholique.com. And please click the little bell and subscribe on our YouTube channel for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.